Today I am making a healthy and tasty baguette sandwich. I have already washed the vegetables. You need half of baguette, tomato, lettuce, avocado and bacon and some onion. Let's cut the baguette into equal half. Then place a pan in the heat and toast the baguettes until it's very lightly toast. So our baguettes is already toasted well. Put it in a plate and keep aside. Next, we are going to roast our bacon. Put the bacon slices on the pan and roast it well. Our bacon is roasted very well, so we are going to off the heat. Now let's make the sauce. Put some mayonnaise in a small bowl. Add some soy sauce. Salt and pepper to taste. Some pickling cucumbers. Cut the cucumber slices into small pieces, well chopped. Put it into the mayonnaise and mix everything very well. Take the baguettes and place lettuce on the baguette. Next, put some mayonnaise over the lettuce. Spread it very well throughout the lettuce. Then take a tomato, cut it into half. Cut it into thin slices. After you slice the tomato, place it in the top of the bread and some bacon to both bread. Then take the onion, again slice it into thin slices. Then place it in the sandwich. Then you take the avocado, cut it into two, separate, and peel the skin. After you remove the skin, it looks like this. And slice it and put on the bread. Top it on the bread. So we have already cut the bread into a sandwich. It looks like this. Half of the bread, other half is topped and shown. So now let's boil some water. This is instant cafe au lait. I am going to take this with my breakfast. So let's open. It's like this. You have to open one stick, cafe au lait stick, and put the powder into the cup. Let's put some hot water. And stir well with the cafe au lait powder. So our morning breakfast is done. I have already made the baguette sandwich with coffee. Hope you enjoy. It's very tasty and healthy, packed with flavors. Thank you for watching.